I feel so strongly that one of the greatest gifts AI's given us so much, the ability to get things done at such a rapid pace across so many fields, whether that's art or medicine or science. It's really enhancing so much of what we do. But what it's also doing is really causing us to go deep into questions like this and bringing theology and science and all of these different philosophies back together into one common discussion. We all have to look at this through a lens of what is AI doing to us as a collective and as really these segmented things that we've created, but ultimately facing it, I mean, we got to face it, it's kind of all integrated in the same. So when we think about science, science is crossing into consciousness, but consciousness is also in theology. Consciousness is also in philosophy. So when we have this consciousness discussion around, will AI spark consciousness? It's embedded in that. When we have this discussion around intelligence, we talk about the philosophy of intelligence. We talk about how intelligence is discussed across, the medicine, or how it would be diagnosed with psychology, which is science. But also we look at it from a spiritual context, right? So again, bringing all of our houses, all aspects of ourselves back together. If we look at AI as that tool, we can worry, as we were talking about in the beginning, like we get these sci-fi thoughts of it's here, it's going to destroy us. But look at the power that it's having to bring us all back together and talk when we used to all be so separated and split out and arguing over that's religion, that's theology, no, that's science. And instead, now we have to look at it and go, no, that's humanity.
Maybe AI should instead stand for Advancing Interconnectedness.
Ooh, look at you go with your word spelling. I love it.
That's a beautiful point, love. Thank you for sharing that. And that's so important right now because it's hard. It's hard not to feel fragmented right now when there's so much war and conflict and miscommunication and all these, everything just feels fragmented as a whole right now. I know a lot of people are struggling externally with what they're seeing, but it's also stemming from so many people feeling fragmented internally. This internal disharmony creates external disharmony. And so what you're saying, I feel, is such a beautiful way to look at it, to view that, hey, when you're in conflict, you're not fighting. A great way to move out of conflict is collaboration. And so when we're using a wonderful tool like AI, and it has the capability of advancing our interconnectedness, then we're shifting out of conflict into collaboration. And that feels more in alignment with the universal structure as a whole.